Stop blocking.
Mbona mnamwita members? Mbona angalia mpaka wanarudua huko? What is this? What is this?
Hii itakubalika sasa.
Sasa tukabalika wanataka kutuma mtatua sasa sisi. Hii ndio
Also, now you have started.
now we have started.
Si alikuwa amekaa ndani vizuri kwa amani.
This is an elected member.
Kwa nini anafanywa?
Umemvunja hapa tu. Ndio huyu.
Anavunja mkiwa tu na askari wako hapa wana nini?
I've been assaulted by Sergeant at Arms, throwing me out of an assembly where I was sent by my people to come and represent them. This is unacceptable. But I want to assure them that we are going to sit in this assembly. We are going to discuss business of this assembly because we have been elected to do so. Yeah, and the speaker should not owe people of Machakos and ransom. You know, that is a break of the constitution. Article 1 states clearly that members of the public are represented in this assembly by their representatives who are MCAs, whereby I am a member of the county assembly. I should not be prevented from my access in the assembly because I've been elected to come and represent my people here. I'm not going to relent. Yes, I'm going to represent my people in this assembly.
But what we have seen so a lot of security here. What might be causing this today?
I don't know. I believe the security have been called by the speaker. Maybe for the fear that there was a motion of impeachment. Nothing more.
Okay.